Hey there, beauties! Are you tired of struggling with boring bobby pins that lack style and flair? Well, fret no more because today, I've got the ultimate solution for you. I've handpicked the top 5 decorative bobby pins that will elevate your hairstyle game to the next level. Whether you're aiming for a chic updo or a casual half-up style, these bobby pins have got you covered. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some pro tips on how to make the most out of these stylish accessories. Let's dive in! At number 1 position, we have Holibana Decorative Bobby Pin. First up on our list is the Holibana Decorative Bobby Pin. This exquisite piece is crafted with precision, featuring intricate designs that add a touch of elegance to any hairstyle. Key features. The Holibana Bobby Pin boasts high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Its versatile design allows for effortless styling, whether you're attending a formal event or simply running errands. Benefits and usage. Not only does the Holibana Bobby Pin secure your hair in place, but it also doubles as a stunning accessory. You can effortlessly create intricate hairstyles with a single pin, saving you time and hassle. Usability. Thanks to its lightweight design and easy-to-use clasp, the Holibana Bobby Pin is suitable for all hair types and textures. Whether you have thick locks or fine strands, this accessory will hold your hair in place without causing discomfort. Durability. Constructed with premium materials, the Holibana Bobby Pin is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy pins that bend out of shape after a few uses. With proper care, this bobby pin will remain a staple in your hair accessory collection for years to come. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Happy Yami Decorative Bobby Pin. Next up, we have the Happy Yami Decorative Bobby Pin. This eye-catching accessory is perfect for adding a pop of color and personality to your hairstyle. Key features. The Happy Yami Bobby Pin features vibrant hues and playful designs, making it a fun addition to any ensemble. Its sturdy construction ensures that your hair stays in place all day long, without any slipping or sliding. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or a messy bun, the Happy Yami Bobby Pin adds an instant dose of style. You can mix and match different colors and patterns to create unique looks that reflect your personality. Usability. With its secure grip and lightweight design, the Happy Yami Bobby Pin is suitable for daily wear. Whether you're heading to work or hitting the gym, this accessory will keep your hair looking fabulous throughout the day. Durability. Made with high-quality materials, the Happy Yami Bobby Pin is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this pin maintains its shape and functionality, ensuring long-lasting performance. The number 3 position is held by N-Lux Decorative Bobby Pin. Moving on to our third pick, we have the N-Lux Decorative Bobby Pin. This elegant accessory exudes sophistication, making it the perfect choice for formal occasions. Key features. The N-Lux Bobby Pin features intricate detailing and a polished finish, adding a touch of glamour to any hairstyle. Its versatile design allows for effortless styling, whether you're attending a wedding or a corporate event. Benefits and usage. Not only does the N-Lux Bobby Pin secure your hair in place, but it also enhances your overall look. You can effortlessly create classic updos or modern twists with this versatile accessory. Usability. Thanks to its sturdy construction and secure grip, the N-Lux Bobby Pin is suitable for all hair types and lengths. Whether you have short hair or long locks, this accessory will keep your style in place throughout the day. Durability. Crafted with premium materials, the N-Lux Bobby Pin is built to last. Unlike cheap alternatives, this pin maintains its shape and shine, ensuring that you always look your best. Next at number 4, we have Scunci Decorative Bobby Pin. Up next, we have the Scunci Decorative Bobby Pin. This stylish accessory combines fashion and function, making it a must-have for every fashionista. Key features. The Scunci Bobby Pin features a sleek design and a secure clasp, ensuring that your hair stays in place all day long. Its minimalist aesthetic makes it a versatile addition to any hairstyle. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a casual look or a formal ensemble, the scrunchy bobby pin adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. You can use it to create intricate braids, sleek ponytails, or elegant updos with ease. Usability. With its lightweight design and easy-to-use clasp, the scrunchy bobby pin is suitable for all hair types and textures. Whether you have thick curls or fine strands, this accessory will keep your hair looking flawless throughout the day. Durability. Constructed with durable materials, the scrunchy bobby pin is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Say goodbye to flimsy pins that break or bend out of shape after a few uses. With proper care, this accessory will last you for years to come. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by crunchy fashion decorative bobby pin. Last but certainly not least, we have the crunchy fashion decorative bobby pin. This statement piece is sure to turn heads wherever you go, thanks to its bold design and eye-catching details. Key features. The crunchy fashion bobby pin features a unique design and intricate embellishments, making it a standout accessory. Its sturdy construction ensures that your hairstyle stays in place, no matter the occasion. Benefits and usage. Whether you're attending a music festival or a night out on the town, the crunchy fashion bobby pin adds a touch of glamour to any look. You can use it to create edgy hairstyles or romantic updos with ease. Usability. With its secure grip and lightweight design, the crunchy fashion bobby pin is suitable for all hair types and lengths. Whether you have short pixie cuts or long flowing locks, this accessory will keep your hair looking fabulous all day long. Durability. Crafted with premium materials, the crunchy fashion bobby pin is built to last. Unlike cheap imitations, this pin maintains its shape and shine, ensuring that you always make a stylish statement. And there you have it, folks! The top 5 decorative bobby pins that will take your hairstyle game to new heights. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!